Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today is about removing the scary pop-ups that are related to the site robustwebsecurity.com. Robustwebsecurity.com is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and possibly some other browsers. This website attempts to deceive people and to trick them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The pop-up says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses and that you need to download some software to get it fixed. But the point is that these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They claim to be associated with some decent security program, but when you try to download that software that they recommend, you are brought to some other deceptive websites that may promote malware or at least some potentially unwanted software. Also, these pop-ups by robustwebsecurity.com try to make you click on allow button to make you subscribed to the multiple push notifications. It was definitely a mistake to click on allow, but the good thing is that this mistake can be fixed. So let us fix it manually by accessing the menu Settings, go to Privacy and Security, select Site Settings, then go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. To get rid of all these annoying ads from disturbing you, you should click on this button and remove each specific website that is causing such pop-up ads. So this is the manual solution to get your browser fixed and delete all these intrusive advertisements. I also recommend that you additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus to make sure that there is no any other hidden malware remaining on your system. Please go to the website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner. Using this green download button, install the application and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.